If I needed money fast, not tomorrow money, not magic money, but real honest online income, this is the very first skill I will learn. And no, it's not crypto. It's not drop shipping. It's something much simpler than that. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about realistic ways to make money online. No hype, no fake lifestyle, just things that actually make sense. You heard that right. Okay, so guys, if you've been asking yourself what should I learn that can actually pay me, then this video is for you. Yes. Guys, now we're going to be talking about why skills beat everything else at the beginning. Yeah, so guys, let me explain. When you're starting out online, skills are faster than businesses because skills solve problems and people pay quickly to solve problems. So you don't need followers, you don't need capital, you just need to be useful. That is, if I needed money fast, yeah, I will start with the skill. Now I know you will ask me, which skill should I choose first? Yeah, the first one is social media management. Okay, so if I had to pick just one skill, it would be social media management, and here is why. Businesses already know that they need social media. They just don't have the time or the patience to do it themselves, so they need someone to post consistently. They need someone to help them reply comments and messages. Here is how you come in. They need someone to organize their content. Yes, they need someone to keep their page active. That is it. Yeah, so you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be reliable and honest. Yeah, so let me tell you what you actually need to learn. This part surprises people. To start, you don't need fancy tools, you don't need graphic designing degree. Yes, I know that's what you're expecting, and you need a degree to do this. No, you don't need many years of experience. All you just need is to understand. Yes, understand how Instagram or TikTok works, understand basic content ideas, understand simple scheduling, communications. You can learn this basic in just few weeks, not years. And yes, people get paid for this. Yeah, so now how this skills turns into money, because we cannot be learning this without having the aim of earning. Yeah, you know, all we do now is to make money. Okay, so here is how it usually works. One client pays you a small monthly fee, 2 clients pays a bit more, 5 clients, now it's starting to look serious, right? This is not about becoming rich overnight though. It's about creating steady income, right? So, and steady income changes everything. Yes, so now let's talk about where most people get it all wrong. Most people overthink this. They want to be perfect before they start. They want certificate, they want confidence first before they even want to apply. But the thing is that confidence comes after action. You learn by doing it. Yes, you improve by showing up. Yeah, so that's how every skill grows. Now let me tell you about what you will do after learning the basics. Yes, now once I understand the basics, the first thing I will do is to practice it on my own page. Yeah, so offer my services to small businesses. You can even start with your friend's business. Don't be stingy. Yeah, be honest about being a beginner. Price reasonably. When you get a new client, explain to the client, oh, I'm a beginner. Then you price reasonably. That people value honesty, or they value honesty more than perfection. Don't go and be saying you're perfect or you're an expert. Tell them you're a beginner, but you know what you're doing because you've learned the basic. So guys, if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. On this channel we focus on skills that actually pays and parts that make sense. And I would like you to tell me in the comment section, would you rather learn a skill or build a business first? I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.